Seattle Central College!
Oh, damn!
Ms. Newman to come on up and say some good things about her. Some awesome internships I've got. Ms. Newman.
It's for her blog.
Thanks for congratulations, senior class. I want to celebrate a group of 6 students who have worked really hard to carry student voice into the creation.
Hi guys, to my channel. You know what's up, guys. So I don't have no plans. Well, I do have plans, but I don't have a plan for YouTube. But I do have a proposal, or a thing that I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go shopping and we're gonna go clean my car, because my car is messy. I haven't cleaned it for almost like a month and a half. So you're gonna see a lot of trash. And by trash, I mean a lot of trash. Not just, you know, trash. Especially the trunk. I haven't cleaned that for like almost 3 months. I'm not joking, guys. You're gonna see why. And yes, I'm a clumsy person. It's hard, you know? And YouTube has motivated me to clean my car for the, let's just say, a month and a half. And so that's the tea for today. Hopefully keep on watching the video. And do you guys like my little ponytails? Like, my hair's growing up. I shaped my head back in November because my hair was falling out and I had to shave it, you know. So, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but keep on watching the video. Hopefully I do record on washing my car, because that's the only thing I can do right now. And maybe I'll record going grocery shopping or something. Okay, guys, keep on watching the video. Without me, like, yes, I left at 2 in the morning without you. You know where I went?
To go fix mom and dad because their car broke down.
No, the freaking tire broke, like, it
Bro,
popped.
I heard the conversation, but I was like, this bitch ain't best to leave. I was like, she's best to wake me up or like something.
No, I left you. You know where you guys
We're
are?
at Walmart.
We're at Walmart.
This school's stupid. They put a woman's security, and you know the Puerto Rican that took her to meet me because they're like, oh, this one right here is trouble. You're gonna see her a lot. And I was like, bro, the boy.
Say that one more time. Say what she said.
I said, put eyeballs to say that you watched all the that you never got.
What?
All the that you never got.
Okay, I'm gonna give them all a test, but
Oh my, look, this little.
we're looking for decorating
Make a
my
necklace
cat
out of this.
for graduation. We're back again with this YouTube vlog. So we're cleaning my car, like I said at the beginning of the video. Hopefully I put that in. But we're cleaning my freaking car because I'm a mess. And I also bought a Glade thing, I don't know, so that it can smell better. I'll give you a little tour of a before and after. I'm not really gonna film cleaning it, you know. I got my nails done. That's that. Hopefully over here I can see my little mess right here, right there. I'm telling you, I'm a mess. And you can see a little mess. You can see that there's a yearbook, there's some oil, there's shoes, there's my clothes. And here it is, the big reveal. Okay. Alright guys, already finished cleaning it. I now have to go and wash it and vacuum it. that is the garbage. It's a whole bag of garbage. It has clothes and stuff that I just left. But look at almost a whole bag of garbage. Alright. Washing my car.
He's in the vlog.
He's in the vlog. Damn, that sucks. Why is he pretty? We're super early. Like super early.
It's 5:09 and it doesn't start until 5:30.
So we're like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes early.
My messages don't.
That's mood.
The school blocks my service.
School sucks.
It blocks my Snapchat service.
Okay.
Never mind.
Well,
Can I just steal one of them?
they're
All of
pretty,
them.
but they're fake.
But these, we can't afford real fun.
It's tiny.
That's why we can't afford real fun. Chubba's coming. Look at Chubba.
Pretty. Alright, dude.
Never seen
Anyways, I'm gonna be in the vlog.
There's like general stuff.
Coming back, right? Coming back. It's boring. Nothing interesting.
Like just the testing skills.
Hopefully we win something.
Yeah.
But then again, like, we did horrible in high school.
Yeah. At least one.
Can I at least get one?
One to be recognized.
So I can have two?
You can have two. Did you get your seal?
No, not yet.
Not yet. I think you get in graduation.
I got one of those already.
Mhm.
But I want more.
We're ambitious.
Yeah.
We want more.
ambitious. We need more. I can't just have one.
Really hard time on
The multiple.
Yeah, we got to have them all.
All of
So
them.
let's just tell them. Let's go.
I'm actually gonna put
Oh my goodness.